Hey everyone, check out who I whipped up. Today, I'm going to take you behind the scenes and show you the whole awesome process of how I brought this little star to life. Keep your eyes peeled, because I've hidden a few other Sprunki in this video. See how many you can spot, and drop the number in the comments below. Brushka is essentially a sentient, fuzzy art supply cabinet that decided to become a pop star. They have a light, creamy yellow body that looks suspiciously like a fresh batch of custard. Seriously, don't try to eat them. Their head is shaped like a slightly singed leaf, or maybe just a funky paintbrush tip. A wild spike of hair that's been perpetually stained with the coolest colors, hot pink and electric blue. It looks like they tried to dye their hair with actual paint, and then had a tiny, colorful explosion. Brushka doesn't just paint with brushes, they paint with sound. Literally. Their musical genre is called splatter pop, a high-energy mix of synth beats and messy, enthusiastic percussion.